Welcome back for part 2 of our Wayne Thiebaud inspired Gumball Machines. I'm just going to start coloring my Gumball machine now. Gumball machines are typically a red color, but just because they're normally red doesn't mean you have to use red. You can really use any color you would like because, as always, you are the artist of your own artwork, so you get to decide what colors you use. Remember to color carefully and slowly, taking your time, no peekaboos please. Fill in the entire space. We will be using crayons to color the gumball machine and all the gumballs inside the machine. When we're finished coloring those things, we're going to switch over to markers. Okay, now I'm ready for markers. I'd like you to choose only about 4 colors, and you'll notice that I have 2 that are warm colors and 2 that are cool colors. I'm going to start with the warm colors, my orange and yellow, in the background, and I want to show you a way of coloring with markers that is very easy. It's called lawnmower lines, or coloring in rows. Notice how I started at the top of my paper and I'm coloring down in one big row. This gives me more control when I'm coloring, so that I am really careful not to get outside the lines. So when you're using your markers today, try to color in rows.